Hello guys, today we're gonna take a look at ChatGPT.
Today Bill and Selena will check if ChatGPT can be a conversational tutor for your child, even if you don't speak the language yourself.
But you have two different versions. The old version has sort of like a, when you start ChatGPT, if you see like a black kind of round thing moving there when you speak to it, then you have the old version. But we're gonna look at the new version, which is blue. And the difference is that the new version, the blue one, has more ability to speak slower, which is something we want when we teach our children a foreign language, right? So that's why it's important. Okay, and something that's really important also is to start a new chat every time when you use the free version. If you use the premium version, you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna start a new chat and then I'm gonna prompt it and then we'll see what happens. Okay, let's go. I want you to speak Spanish only to a 9-year-old child at a beginner level by asking very simple questions. About 50% of the questions can be yes or no answers to make it a bit simpler. Speak extremely slowly. If you don't get an answer, try to ask again. Don't rush. Give time to answer. Ask a question 3 times before moving on to the next question if you don't get an answer. Also, if you don't get an answer, ask if she understands.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Mi nombre es Selena.
Hola, Selena. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Bien?
Sí,
¡Qué bueno! ¿Te gusta la escuela? ¿Sí o no?
sí. Sí.
¡Qué bien! ¿Qué es lo que más te gusta hacer en la escuela?
No entiendo.
¿Te gusta dibujar? ¿Sí o no?
Sí. Sí.
¡Qué divertido! ¿Dibujas en casa también?
Sí. Sí.
Sí, señor.
¡Genial! ¿Tienes muchos lápices de colores?
Sí.
Yeah, so the problem here is that it seems like Selena's voice is too high up or something, because most of the time when I speak, then it understands, but sometimes when she says sí, then it doesn't understand. But yeah, it's working. So we can actually use ChatGPT now to because I don't understand what they're talking about, basically. So you can use it to teach your child a foreign language that you don't speak yourself. Isn't that right, ChatGPT?
Exacto.
Based in Thailand, here's a YouTube channel for parents with language learning children. If you wanna learn more, subscribe to Raised in Thailand. The channel that you love is Raised in Thailand. With getting done.